Hey guys, it's Jerry the Investor, and here in this video, we'll be exploring 3 essential tips for real estate investors diving into fix and flip projects. So here, tip number 1, as you can see, there's a deal in front of the screen. You want to get into these realtors buyer box or wholesalers buyer box so they can be able to send you potential deals into your email. Once you get the deal, you want to look over key details in the deal as far as the asking price, the square feet, the year that it was built, and pictures to give you a feel on how it looks and the potential rehab that you will be getting into. Once that's complete, tip number 2, hop in your car and go get a feel for what's around the area. Me personally, I like to look for the nearest Home Depot or any major businesses. Once I get there, here as you can see, the property is in bad condition, but houses around it are in great condition. And that leads us to tip number 3. You want to move swiftly when you get these deals sent to your buyer box. Here, as you can see, shout out to R Block once again. Another potential deal has been sent to my email. Once again, I like to look over the key details, the address, the square feet, the asking price, the ARV. Once I get a feel for these key details, I immediately hop in my car, morning, rain, or snow, we're going. Here, as you can see, the gate is no good, but the roof looks in good shape. As I look around the neighborhood, I wasn't a big fan of the neighborhood, but if I didn't come to check it out, I wouldn't know. So once that's done, I immediately like to go home and open bigger pockets. Once I get to bigger pockets, I go and use my fix and flip calculator to make sure that is this deal even worth the while. So I start a new report and I start implementing all of these essential details that they're asking me: ARV, desired profit, purchase closing costs, repair costs, holding costs, how long will I be rehabbing the property. All these key components are done on this calculator before I even consider putting the offer in. So there you have it, you guys. That's your quick 3 essential tips for potential fix and flippers. Like, share, and subscribe, and ring that notification bell, guys.